Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your contact sharing not working on iPhone. So what is contact sharing? Well, basically contact sharing is this. When you put your iPhone on top of each other, your contacts are going to be shared automatically just like this. You guys can see in the photo. But in your case, let's say it's not working. Now there's a couple of reasons why it doesn't work, but let me show you guys why it doesn't and how you guys can fix it. Let me show you the step. First thing, you want to make sure that your airdrop feature is on. So you can slide down from the top of your screen at top right. Once you slide down, you want to make sure your airdrop is on. So my airdrop is off, that's why it's not working. So I will turn on my airdrop mode. So I will click on everyone for 10 minutes. Once I do that, it should work. But if it still doesn't work when you do this, the next thing you need to do is check if there is any update for your iPhone. So go inside settings and go on versus general over here. And on general, you want to click on software update at the top and check if there is any update or not. So I have an update. I need to click on download and install the update. And after updating my iPhone to the latest version, it should work. But let's say if it still didn't work, then you need to understand this. This feature of contact sharing is only available for iOS 17 user. So until and unless you don't have iOS 17, it's not going to work. All right. So if you're trying to use this feature or try contact sharing, let's say you have iOS 17, but the person you're trying to contact share with doesn't has iOS 17, it's not going to work. For this feature to work, both of the phone or both of the iPhone needs to have the latest version of iOS 17 running, and only it's going to work. If it doesn't work, then basically one of them either doesn't has the updated version of iPhone or has not turned on the airdrop feature. So make sure to turn on the airdrop feature and make sure it's updated to the latest version, and it should work. And make sure to put your iPhone really close to each other, because if they are really far apart as well, then it's not going to work. So make sure they're really close and it should work. So that's how we guys can fix contact sharing not working on iPhone. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.